Samsung is about to redefine the smartphone game once again, and this time it might just leave competitors scrambling to catch up. The Galaxy S25 series is set to launch on January 22, 2025, and the buzz around this flagship lineup is nothing short of electric. Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts alike have been eagerly waiting, and for good reason. The S25 promises groundbreaking features, new designs, and innovations that could reshape how we think about smartphones. Stick around because we're diving into all the juicy details, leaks, and what makes this launch one of the most anticipated events in tech history. Let's start with the big news that's already turning heads. The Galaxy S25 series will ditch the Exynos processor entirely, going all in with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset across all models globally. This is a bold move, one that speaks volumes about Samsung's commitment to performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite, rumored to be up to 30% more powerful than its predecessor, is expected to deliver unprecedented speed, efficiency, and AI capabilities. But what does this mean for users? Faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and gaming performance that rivals dedicated consoles. Imagine editing 4K videos on your phone without breaking a sweat or running multiple demanding apps simultaneously without lag. This processor could be a game changer. Now let's talk pricing. For European buyers, there's good news. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to maintain last year's pricing. The base Galaxy S25 starts at €899 for the 128GB model, with the 256GB version priced at €959. The S25 Plus could begin at €1,149, while the Ultra model might go up to €1,899 for the 1TB variant. However, this stability in pricing may not extend to other regions. Reports suggest that in markets like the US, we might see a slight price bump, driven by inflation and the rising costs of premium components like the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's not just a matter of supply chains, it's about Samsung's strategic positioning against rivals like Apple and Google. Speaking of strategy, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to wow with its stunning design and premium materials. Leaked dummy models reveal a sleeker, more refined aesthetic, with a slightly taller and narrower body. The Ultra will feature a massive 6.86-inch display, offering unparalleled clarity and brightness. Samsung is introducing rounded corners for better ergonomics, while the titanium frame not only enhances durability, but also gives the device a luxury feel. And let's not forget the hero color, titanium blue. This bold, vibrant shade could steal the spotlight, making it a collector's item for tech aficionados. Of course, classic options like titanium black, gold, and silver will be available, catering to every taste. But it's not just about looks. The Galaxy S25 Ultra packs serious power under the hood. Storage configurations start at 256GB with 12GB of RAM, scaling up to 1TB paired with a hopping 16GB of RAM. This ensures you're future-proof for years, whether you're a power user or just someone who loves having all their data at their fingertips. And then there's the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. Samsung is integrating magnetic charging profiles, akin to Apple's MagSafe, which could revolutionize how we charge our devices. Imagine snapping your phone onto a magnetic charger or seamlessly attaching accessories like power banks and stands. This feature alone could bridge the gap between Galaxy and iPhone users, attracting a whole new audience to the Samsung ecosystem. Camera enthusiasts, rejoice! The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 200MP ISO-CELLHP5 sensor, offering jaw-dropping clarity and dynamic range. Whether it's low light photography, ultra-zoom shots, or cinematic 8K video recording, this camera is set to redefine what's possible on a smartphone. The new design includes a vertical arrangement of camera rings, housing advanced sensors, and a TOF lens, ensuring professional-grade photography is just a tap away. Of course, software plays a huge role, and the Galaxy S25 series doesn't disappoint. It comes pre-installed with One UI 7.0, Samsung's latest software update. This version brings enhanced customization, smarter AI integration, and features designed to make your device feel like an extension of yourself. Expect better battery management, intuitive multitasking, and seamless integration with the Galaxy ecosystem, including Samsung's rumored XR headset. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung's first extended reality device might share the stage with the S25 launch. So what does all this mean for you, the buyer? Samsung isn't just launching a phone, it's setting a benchmark. From cutting-edge design and unparalleled performance to smarter charging and innovative software, the Galaxy S25 series could be the most complete smartphone lineup of 2025. The question isn't whether it's worth upgrading, it's how much longer you can wait to get your hands on one.